inscription of one of the Mughal emperors named Jahangir. He's the fourth Mughal emperor. Jahangir. Emperor Jahangir. Yes. And the pieces around here, these are pendants. And you can see in the front here there are rubies, and on the back Jahangir is made out of jade. Type of stone, and you consider jade to be a victory stone. Now the Mughals, they valued rock crystal just as much as jade, and the more clear it was, the more valuable it was. You can see here, this is a jade flywood. It had horsetail on the top of it to get rid of the flies. What the person who made this cup wanted to do is he Yes, these are actually Mughal miniature paintings. They're this big, and he created them also so you can see all the details and see how they were Yes.
From what?
Sorry?
From what country?
Well, Babur, they're descendants from Timur, from the Timur dynasty, and on the other side from Genghis Khan also.
Genghis Khan. Yes. Who is the Genghis Khan?
No, they're descendants and their ancestors. Completely developed painting in India. You see there is Chinese influence. Now with Islamic art, a lot of the objects have Chinese influence. And with this piece there is Hellenistic or Greek influence because the Greek conqueror Alexander the Great, his soldiers reached all the way to Afghanistan. And their artistic style stayed in that region, and it eventually also moved to the Mughal Empire's art.
That period was
The Mughals were in the 16th and 19th century. And these pieces are actually the base of a hookah, a water pipe. This exhibition is over 500. Yes, it's over 500.
collections in place with the Mughal around 500.
No, from the Mughal, I'm pretty sure more than for the square shape handle. And
It's used for stock item.
rely heavily on decorating everything. Inside and outside. You can see, and most of the objects that, and you can see a lot of details. Exactly, and the Indians have mastered and invented many of the jewelry techniques that are used today. This is for the effort to implement made of crystal rock crystals.
These objects are showing if someone wearing it, maybe also they show the rack, yeah, what kind of rack that may.
This is mostly for the people from the royal court.
Yeah. This is the for tourists.
And these
started in Madrid, Spain, in Palazzo Reale, 2007. And then in 2009 we started in the Kremlin in Moscow, and then to the Hermitage. In the Hermitage we had 700,000 visitors in 3 months. So it was lots of people coming to see this exhibition. Then it was start to the Asian tour. It started in Singapore, and the
Leningrad, ne öğrenmek, çeşitli